Your best partner, Wanchong Corporation. Nice to see you, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to introduce Wanchong Corporation to you. Wanchong Corporation, one of the most specialized in cable ladder and tray system and gratings. Wanchong Corporation established in January of 1990. Wanchong acquired Q-Mark June of 1990, made a technical assistance agreement with Creative Pultrusion in March of 1992, and registered Lloyd in January of 1993. Wanchong acquired ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and listed on UL. Since 2007, Wanchong have been acquired ABS, BV, DNV, and CSA certifications. Wanchong established Annex Research Institute in October of 2010. Various types, materials, shape, dimensions are available. Metallic materials are weak against corrosion, while GRP, FRP has higher performance against corrosion, especially anti-acid, anti-rust, and anti-chemical materials. And additionally, GRP, FRP material as the future material has various advantages such as lightweight, long-term life cycle, and saving cost. Wanchong Corporation produce and management by self. Quality controlled strictly by quality control procedure according to the ISO 9001. HSE system controlled according to the ISO 14001 also. Quality advancing and developing works have been performed continuously with Annex Research Institute of Wanchong Corporation. Wanchong Corporation is growing, advancing continuously, even at this very moment, as the future-oriented company does. As the proof of quality advancing and developing works, Wanchong Corporation have been achieved certifications and approved by various classification associations and laboratories, such as UL, CSA, BV, ABS, DNV, and USCG. Wanchong products ensure top-of-the-line quality, best quality, not to mention our reputation on delivery, are promptly on time as always. Wanchong Corporation promise that comply any reasonable request from customers. The best choice, Wanchong Corporation.